Paint your neon lips with me in easy steps. First, apply the white liquid lipstick all over your lips. Then take a small eyeshadow brush and start tapping the eyeshadows onto the lips. The greens on the upper lip, the yellow, the orange, and the hot pink onto the lower lip. And where the edge of the lip is, use a flat eyeshadow brush. Then start painting the designs. Sketch them out with darker liquid lipsticks and a small brush, and fill them in with a slightly bigger brush and lighter liquid lipsticks. Add some details to the flower to make it more realistic. Carve the lips with foundation. And that was totally worth the effort. Brief guide on how to create your flower lips. Yes, you can definitely paint it. Just a little bit tedious. Sketch out the petals, fill them in partially with purple, add a 3D effect, partially with white and yellow. You'll find the full tutorial, including the tips and tricks for how to create this blending, on my Patreon. Would you do your lip art using this? Hey, do you want to paint this lip art? Then let's go. Use a darker green liquid lipstick all over your lips, then use a lighter green color in the dry fan brush to create the grass texture. Use a thin brush and a black liquid lipstick to create the circles where the future ladybugs will be. Then with a flat tapered brush, color all the ladybugs in different colors. This is the fun part. Then use the thin brush again and a black liquid lipstick to draw the antennae, then to separate their wings. And in order to draw the dots, pick up a nail dotter and just put these dots on. After that, just use a little bit of foundation to carve your lip line, and you're done. Follow me for more lip art and a lot of creative makeup. Paint neon umber lips really easily. First, Gavacy Beauty Bubblegum for the top part, Chaotic Cosmetics Cutie Pie for the middle part, blend it well with the pink, then Chaotic Cosmetics Love Bug for the lower part. But how do you make the lips really neon? You take an eyeshadow palette, this is Blend Bunny Blends, and you tap the yellow color into the green to match the green nail. You tap the teal color into the blue to match the teal nail, and you tap the hot Barbie pink into the hot pink lipstick. Correct the lip line. You might as well stop there because the lips already match the nails. However, you might also add a clear gloss. People on Instagram voted for this version as the best, and which one do you like more, matte or glossy? This was the first vertical lip art tutorial I ever painted, so forgive me that it's incomplete and the quality is kind of poor, but it's so summery I wanted to include it. Look at this moon and the moonwalk. So you basically apply white lipstick and then cover it with some glittery and shimmery eyeshadows, and you paint the palm trees, the palm leaves, with a black liquid lipstick. You do the exact same thing on the upper lip. And as for ombre lips, I already have plenty of tutorials on those. Just check out the description box. Which summer lip art is your favorite? Comment yours and let's see which wins!